Classic apple pie. To make the pastry, place the flour, icing sugar, butter, and cinnamon in a food processor and process until the mixture resembles fine breadcrumbs. Add the egg yolks and 2 teaspoons of chilled water and process until the dough comes together. Place dough on a lightly floured surface and shape into a disc. Cover with plastic wrap and place in the fridge for 30 minutes to rest. Reserve 1/3 of the pastry disc for the top. Roll the remaining pastry out to a 3 mm thick disc. Line the base and side of a 22 cm diameter tart tin with removable base. Don't worry if the pastry breaks, you can just patch any cracks and holes with excess pastry. Push the dough into the side of the tin. Use a small sharp knife to trim the edge. Place in the fridge for 30 minutes to rest. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. To make the filling, combine the apples, sugar, lemon juice, lemon zest, vanilla, and cornflour mixed with a little water in a large saucepan over medium heat. Cook, stirring, for 10 minutes or until the apple is tender and the juice thickens slightly. Remove from heat and set aside to cool. Line the pastry case with baking paper. Scrunching the paper first helps it get into the side of the pan, and fill with pastry weights or rice. Bake for 10 minutes. Roll some of the reserved pastry out on a lightly floured surface to a 3 mm thick disc and cut out heart shapes. Roll out the remaining pastry and cut into 2 cm by 20 cm strips for the lattice top. You can use a ruler as a guide. Remove the paper and weights from the pie and bake for a further 8 minutes or until pastry is dry to the touch and lightly golden. Spoon the apple mixture into the pastry case. Arrange the strips in a lattice pattern over the filling. Trim the edges of the pie. Arrange the heart-shaped pastry around the edge of the pie. Lightly brush the pastry with egg white and sprinkle with extra sugar. Bake for 20 minutes or until the pastry is lightly golden. Set aside for 5 minutes to cool slightly. Serve warm or at room temperature with vanilla ice cream, if desired. Yum!